We're just horsing around, baby. We're just horsing around. Alright, I'm gonna try to describe this item as much as possible for the vlog, you know, keep informative, right? My boy has that fresh white Honda. What is this even? I don't even know. Like Stingray or what? Doesn't even say. Alright, we'll just call it Stingray. We got a Stingray over here, Honda. This boy can ride. This boy can ride. But yeah, my boy also has this, which is a Chinese version of the GoPro, super knockoff. He got it for like 25 bucks. Fresh. We'll see how it works right now. I tried turning it on. It doesn't really work. So yeah, gave him some advice. Said, hey, if you want to start filming stuff, this is what I learned so far, is to have a lot of batteries and a lot of storage. Hey, it shoots 4K, Ultra HD. Holy. It also has Wi-Fi capabilities. Whoa. What a technology. Alright, yeah, so that's that. Enjoy. Dang, they just hit each other. Dude. Right to the side. Thank God no one's injured. Looks like everyone's just moving safely. What? The snow, guys. You gotta be careful. Drive slow, drive safe. Right? Yes, sir. Gas prices are up. Goodness gracious. I'm tired, America. I'm tired. You know what? We just gotta live through it. It do be like that sometimes. Right? That's life. Don't complain too much about it. You have bigger worries. You got bigger fish to fry. Yeah, just you gotta take Tokyo Drift. Yeah! Oh yeah, baby! Oh my God! Gates! The gates! Woo! The gates, baby! Oh! Level up! Let's go! Let's go! So a great driver. Amazing driver. 5 stars. Uber. That's 20% tip. We're practice soccer right here. This nice surf field, there's this baseball field there. Get some work in. Look at this guy, look at this Tokyo Drift kid. My fellow weeb. Just enjoy himself. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! We're just horsing around, baby. We're just horsing around. We're just horsing around.